Yes. Exercise 8.1, December 1st. In triangle ABC, right angle at B and AB is equal to 24 centimeter.
सर एक चीज़ है कि जो हमने समय प्रिपेयर किया था उसका मैंने फोटो कॉपी नहीं किया है लेकिन अभी
Right angle at B.
मुझे एक बार रीचेक करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि जो न्यू एडमिशन है उसमें अगर मैं एब्सेंट मार्क
Right angle at B. Okay. Your AB is 24 centimeter.
नहीं अगर न्यू एडमिशन है तो भी मैं एब्सेंट होगा
And your BC is 7 centimeter. In right angle triangle ABC. Right angle triangle ABC. As you are observing that in right angle triangle ABC, two sides are given. AB 24 centimeters given, BC 7 centimeters given, and you have to find out the third side. How can you find out the third side? Yes, very good, very good. Pragati, am I audible to you? What is Pythagoras formula? What is Pythagoras formula?
Yes, sir, I am telling.
Yes.
Sir, Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square.
Yes, very good. Okay. H represent hypotenuse, P represent perpendicular, and B represent base. Okay. Now your hypotenuse is AC square, perpendicular BC square, and base is your 24. That is AB square. Yes. AC square. What is AB? BC. What is BC? 7 square. That is AB. 24 square. Now AC square. 49 plus 576.
Yes, sir.
That is AC square is equal to 625. Your AC is root 625. AC is 25 centimeter. Yeah, very good. Any doubt, any problem up to here? Okay. Now we have to find out the sin A cos A. In first part, if angle is A, your base will be AB, perpendicular will be BC, and hypotenuse will be AC. Okay. Now we have to find out the sin A. In first part, sin A, and as you know that sin A.
Sin A will be perpendicular by 100.
BC is 25. Okay. Now what is cos A? Cos A. It is your base upon hypotenuse.
Base 1 hypotenuse.
Yes. Base upon hypotenuse. What is your base? Base is AB.
24 AB.
and hypotenuse is AC, that is 24 by 25.
24 by 25.
Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No sir, no doubt.
Okay, very good. Yes. Now, if your angle is C, if your angle is C, अगर angle आपके पास क्या है, यहाँ पे C है, this is your angle C, and side opposite to angle will be your base. If I am changing the angle, your base and perpendicular will be changed. Am I right or wrong?
Yes sir, right.
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if angle is C, what will be your base?
DC. Then our base will become AB.
If your angle is C, what will be your base? Base.
DC.
Yes.
Sir, DC.
Yes. Because yes. Your right angle and angle is there.
Will be AB and base will be BC and hypo will be AC.
Yes. On that side, in which right angle and angle will be there, that will be your base. Side opposite to angle will be perpendicular, so AB will be your perpendicular, BC will be your base, and side opposite to right angle will be the hypotenuse, so AC will be your hypotenuse. Any doubt, any problems? Second part, sine C. Sine is perpendicular upon my hypotenuse. What is your perpendicular? AB. And hypotenuse is your AC. What is your AB? 24 upon 25.
24 by 25.
Yes, very good.
Wait.
Yes. Now next is your cos C. Cos C.
Cos C.
Base upon
Base
hypotenuse.
upon hypotenuse.
Base is your BC upon AC. What is BC?
7 by 25.
7 by 25. Any doubt, any problems? If you have any doubt, any problem, you can ask me.
No sir, no doubt.
Ashutam, am I audible to you? Ashutam Shukla, am I audible to you? Are you present in the class? Akansha Soni, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Akansha, Ankita, am I audible to you?
Yes sir.
Have you any doubt, any problems?
No sir, no doubt.
Okay, Asmit Maurya. Asmit Maurya. Okay. Now, question number 2 in figure 8.13. Can you do in homework?
Yes sir, we can do it. Yes sir.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now question number 3 is. Okay. Question number 3 is. Yes. If sine A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Calculate cos A and tan A. as you know that trigonometric ratios applied in right angle triangle, first of all we'll draw a right angle triangle. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Angle is A, that is A, B and C. Okay? If angle is A, your base will be AB, perpendicular will be BC and hypotenuse will be AC. Okay? Sin A.
Yes, sir.
Sin A, as you know that 3 by that is 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4. And sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Your perpendicular is BC and your hypotenuse is AC. That is equal to K. Yes, that is equal to K. Now BC is equal to K, 3K. BC is equal to 3K. Because why we are taking K? 3 by 4 means side is not fixed. Distance BC is not fixed. If it is written such as BC is equal to 3 centimeter, it means it will be 3 centimeter. But BC by AC is written as 3 by 4. It means 3:4 is given. 3:4 is given. Yes, am I right or wrong?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So, according to my point of view, BC will be 3K. And your AC will be 4K. Yes? You have already done in 9th class, that is in Heron's formula, chapter number 12. In 9th standard, Heron's formula side are given such as 6:12:30. You will consider is 6x, 12x and 13x. In chapter number 3, you have also done. Okay? Any doubt, any problems?
Yes.
My concept is clear or not?
Clear.
Swasti, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Yes, Pragati.
Sir, I want to ask something, sir. Like you were supposing the value as 3 by 4 equals 16. तो सर हम बिना के किए भी तो हम एक साइड को 3 कर लेते हैं मतलब जो हमारी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग
Yes, Pragati, wait. From last 15 years, I have solving by both methods, without K and also K. But in NCERT, K is given. In NCERT, K is given. Some other books, K is not given. I have already studied in R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agrawal's and other books also. But in NCERT, a K is given. So you have to follow my point of view. You have to follow the NCERT. Okay?
So K will be common or be cancelled.
And that will be not a big issue. It will be cancelled out. Okay? It will be last cancelled out.
So in exam we will do with that. I was saying we need to follow NCERT.
Yeah, you have to follow NCERT.
Sir, I was saying this because that method is easy because we get the side class and then we will find the unfinding something. if हम इसे find कर लेते तो वो ज़्यादा easy रहता है एक और ना
Yes. Now,
so that right.
yes. Now BC is 3K. BC is 3K and AC is your 4K. Okay? Yes. BC is your 3K and AC is your 4K. Now, in right angle triangle, hypotenuse and perpendicular is given. We have to find out base. Abhinyan, how can we find out the base of a right angle triangles? Yes. Repeat the question. In right angle triangle, perpendicular and hypotenuse is given, and we have to find out the base. How can we find out the base? Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square.
Yes, sir.
No, that's wrong. Shreyasi, how can you find out the base? Repeat it. You have to find out the base. So you have to, yes. Yes, in right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get. According to Pythagoras theorem, we get what is hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. What is your hypotenuse? That is your AC square. Yes. Perpendicular is BC square.
Yes,
And
sir.
base is your AB square. What is your AC? AC is your 4K. What is your BC?
3K.
BC is 3K. And what is your AB? AB we have to find out. Okay. Now it is 16K square. Square of 4 is 16 and square of K is K square. That is 9K square plus AB square. It becomes 16K square minus 9K square is equal to AB square AB. That is square root. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now it becomes 16 minus 9, 7K square root is equal to AB. So it becomes root 7K, that is AB. Root 7K. Root 7K. Okay. Now
Sir, I want to say something.
what? Yes.
Sir, here when you have written 7K square, then K root 7 भी तो लिख सकते हैं ना?
K root 7. Listen.
Sir, but constant comes first.
Listen. K root 7 you can write as no problems. No problems.
Yes.
Root 7k, root 7k and k root 7 are same. No problems. Okay. Any doubt? Any problems?
Oh. No, sir.
Yes. Yes. Now we have to find out cos A and tan A. Cos A. It means your angle is A. Angle is A. Angle is A. So B and right angle is B. So base will be your AB. Perpendicular will be BC. And opposite side of right angle will be hypotenuse, that is 4K. Okay. Now we have to find out cos A. Cos A is based upon hypotenuse. Your base is AB, hypotenuse is AC. What is AB?
Sir, root 7 and root 7k.
Root 7K. What is your AC?
Okay.
Okay.
4K. K to K cancel out, it becomes root 7 by 4. Yes?
Yes.
Now next we have to find out the value of tan A. Tan A. Tan A is perpendicular upon base. Yes. Perpendicular is your BC. Base is your AB. What is your BC?
3K.
Sir, 3k.
3K by.
Yes.
सर ऑन कर लीजिएगा अपना
Yes, tan A is perpendicular upon base. What is your perpendicular?
Sir, interval
3k by
upon root.
Sir, root 7k.
root 7k. K2 K cancel out, it becomes 3 by root 7. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No, sir.
चैप्टर कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Sir, easy.
Okay. If you will attend the class daily, everything is easy. No problems. Math is very interesting subject. If you will enjoy it, you will do the question daily, practice it. Math is very easy subject. इसमें कुछ याद करने कुछ है ही नहीं. Only calculation. Now, question number 4. Question number 4, can you do in homework?
Yes, sir.
Listen. 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. It can be written as cot A is equal to 8 by 15.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 15 cot A is equal to 8. It can be you can also write as cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Now it becomes the same as question number 3.
8 upon perpendicular.
Yes, but angles are same, sin A cosec A. Angle are A both. No problems. Now I am trying to solve the question number 5th. Okay, question number 5th. Question number 5th. Sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Yes. It is your right angle triangles. It is your A, B and C. I will guide you that please consider angle A as theta. If you will consider angle A theta, your base becomes AB and perpendicular becomes BC and hypotenuse becomes AC. को बेस परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेन्यूज को रिकॉग्नाइज करने में किसको प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir. And sir, like
If you are unable to recognize, listen. If you are unable to recognize base perpendicular hypotenuse, so there will be problems to solve the questions. In this question you have to recognize what is base, what is perpendicular, what is hypotenuse. Okay? Yes. Now
Yes, sir.
I have considered angle A as theta. So your base is AB, perpendicular will be your BC, and hypotenuse will be AC. So sec theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse, and it becomes hypotenuse upon base. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir. वो reciprocal है.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Your hypotenuse is AC. Your base is AB, and I am considering it equal to A. So your AC becomes 13K, and your AB becomes 12K. Now we have to find out your AC is, that is 13K. Yes, your AB is 12K, and we have to find out the BC. In right angle triangle ABC, triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, we get, yes, we have to find out BC. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, what is your hypotenuse? AC. AC square, BC square plus AB square.
Can you scroll very fast, please? Just scroll
Yo.
a little bit.
Okay, do it. AC is your hypotenuse square, BC is your, we have to find out BC square, and AB is your base. Your AC is your 13K, and AB is your 12K. May I scroll it? Okay. Now it becomes 169K square. That is your BC square. It becomes 144K square. So 169K square minus 144K square is equal to BC square. So square root 169K square minus 144K square is equal to BC. So it becomes 25K square. So that will becomes BC is equal to 5K. Any doubt, any problems? Yes. BC becomes 5K. Now listen to me carefully. Sec theta is given. How many trigonometric ratios? There are 6 trigonometric ratios. That is sin theta, you have to find out. Can you do it? Cos theta you have to find out.
Yes.
Tan theta you have to find out. Cosec theta you have to find out. Sec theta is already given. There is no need to find out. And you have to find out the cot theta. Can you do it in homework?
Yes.
Yes.